Choking occurs when a foreign object lodges in the throat or windpipe, blocking the flow of air. In adults, a piece of food often is the culprit, where in young children, swallowing of small objects. Because choking cuts off oxygen to the brain, give first aid as quickly as possible, or else it might cause a life-threatening condition. The universal sign for choking is hands clutched to the throat. That means if you are in a different country or place where people cannot understand your language, this universal sign can help you. Hi, I am Dr. Arijit Banerjee. I am a certified and life member of Indian Red Cross Society, and in this video I will give a step-by-step guide explaining what to do in a choking emergency. So stay tuned with me to know more, and subscribe the channel if you haven't already, and press the bell icon to get this kind of life-saving information. If you think an adult or child is choking, look at their signs. If they are coughing, encourage them to continue, as they may be able to remove the obstruction. But if they are unable to speak or cough, they need your help straight away. Give 5 and 5 approach for delivering first aid. Number 1. Give 5 back blows. If coughing doesn't work, slap it out. Support their upper body with one hand and help them to bend forward. Use the heel of your other hand to give 5 sharp back blows between their shoulder blades. That means between the two shoulders. Then check to see if there is anything in their mouth. If there is, tell them to pick it out. Number 2. Give 5 abdominal thrust. If back blows don't work, 5 abdominal thrust. To give abdominal thrust, stand behind them, make a fist with one hand, position it slightly above the person's navel, that is between their navel and bottom of their chest. Grasp your fist with your other hand and pull sharply inwards and upwards. Press hard into the abdomen with a quick upward thrust as if you are trying to lift the person. Repeat up to 5 times and check their mouth again. If they are still choking, call nearest hospital or emergency number for help as early as possible. Keep repeating the 5 back blows and 5 abdominal thrusts until the blockage clears or help arrives. If they become unresponsive, open the airway and check their breathing. If they are not breathing normally, start CPR or cardiopulmonary resuscitation. If you don't know how to give CPR or cardiopulmonary resuscitation, you can check out this video to learn CPR in very simple way. I have given in the I button and also in description, and click the subtitle or closed caption button for English language. So remember, if someone is choking, number 1, cough it out, number 2, slap it out, and number 3, squeeze it out. Start CPR if they become unresponsive. Now, if you are alone and suddenly this kind of choking incident happens, try to perform abdominal thrust on yourself. In medical term, we call it Heimlich maneuver. Although you will be unable to effectively deliver back blows to yourself, you can still perform abdominal thrust to dislodge the item. Number 1, place a fist slightly above your navel. Grasp your fist with the other hand and bend over on a hard surface. A countertop or a chair will do the work. Pull upward your fist as if you are giving pressure to your abdomen. So that's how you can provide first aid in choking. If this video has been helpful to you, like the video, subscribe the channel, and share this video with your friends and family. It might save someone's life. Take care.